Calificas para ser legal. ¿Quieres saber? Solo llama al abogado Andrés Mejer.
Now, my name is Andrés Mejer. I'm a published author, speaker, and immigration attorney. Thank you for listening to this segment of our radio show, Para Ser Legal, in English. I am now going to talk about, so we've talked about 3 important breaking news items that has happened in the past week. We've talked about in our education segment, what is a credible fear interview. Third, I'm going to give you an example of a client who just retained me and what is going on with their case. Now, we'll call him Arnav. We'll call her Kiara. Neither of those are their real names. I just didn't want to use George and Maria like I usually do because they're not from a Spanish-speaking country. They're from India, so I picked an Indian name that I happen to like. Kiara and Arnav. So, Arnav worked for the non-ruling political party. Sorry, it didn't work. He was campaigning for them. He was handing out posters and flyers and inviting people to a rally, and people from the government showed up at his house, put a knife to his throat, cut him, didn't kill him, but left a scar, beat up his wife who was 3 months pregnant. They likely didn't even know. She miscarried and they lost their child. When they got out of the hospital, they got over to Mexico, and then they tried to cross the border, and they presented themselves at, they tried to cross illegally. They were discovered, and then they explained that they had a credible fear interview, and they said they're afraid to go back to their country. Now, Kiara was released with a $22,000 bond. That means they had to pay $22,000 in order to get it out of detention. Arnav was not allowed out. Don't know why. I have a call out to his attorney to try to figure out what the status is. He has his trial, actual asylum trial, next week. Kiara has not yet had a single court appearance. They were found credible, they filed for asylum, and for reasons that I don't understand, his attorney did not move to consolidate the cases. At the end of the day, he has the strongest claim for asylum, but she has other liability. She was harmed. She was damaged. She lost her child. They both lost their child, but she was the one that was hit, and which resulted in a miscarriage. They both need to testify. If he wins, she will get asylum too. If he loses, she likely will lose also. So both cases should be consolidated. I don't know why that hasn't happened. She was given court in Texas, even though they knew she was coming to New Jersey. Actually lives in Philadelphia, in the Pennsylvania area. He's in Louisiana and has a Louisiana attorney. So really strange stuff here. Cases need to be consolidated. She needs to testify, and they both should earn their right to stay here in the United States. And I can only assume, well, I don't know this attorney, so I don't want to know. I don't want to say that he did something wrong or not. I don't know. I will find out. It's just it's an unusual circumstance, but there may be a piece of the puzzle that I don't know yet. So thank you very much. My name is Andrés Mejer. I'm a published author, speaker, and immigration attorney. If you belong to a nonprofit or a church or would like to have me speak at your nonprofit or your church, I'm happy to do so. Just give us a call at 888-888-0307. That's it once again, 888-888-0307. And if you have any other questions, we're here for you. Thank you.